Hey everyone, welcome back. My name's Alex Ryan, and you may have remembered back in the day when you had these, you had pens, and you had, remember there was a bit of water in there, and you'll go do this and then do this, and there's like a little boat in there, or it could be a snow globe, but it's all in a pen. Those were all the rage in the 80s, but you don't see them anymore, do you? I mean, if you jump on a P&O cruise or Princess cruise, you might see a few, but most of the time you don't. They're gone, and it was a fad. Same thing goes with those fidget spinners. You may remember those. They were very popular last year. Everyone had them. All the kids had them. They had so many different kinds and colors and did different things and different little logos on them. They're very good, but you don't see them anymore. You jump on eBay, the cost of them has gone way down because everyone sort of jumped on it a little bit too late and they're holding so much stock, and they're not making money on it, that's for sure. But the reason why you don't see them anymore is they are a fad. And your first tip for today is whatever you decide to import, make sure it's not a fad. Make sure it doesn't have a shelf life of 3 months. You've got to be importing things that actually have at least 3 years of legs in that particular product. There's many ways of finding, and this is what I teach my clients, but there's many ways of finding those products that have that 3 year shelf life, minimum 3 year shelf life. So don't invest in fads, because you never know. It's like shares, you never know when the fad's going to end. And if you're finding out about it and you're new to importing, there's a good chance you've sort of already missed the boat. So quick tip today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. My name's Alex Ryan. If you like this video, feel free to share the love. And yeah, I'll talk to you real soon. Have an awesome day.